It was one natural slim account, which is still today. It was upsetting. It really was, because we had a lot of things going on in it and it was unfair. I would like to say that 99.99999999999% of all ad accounts shut down are being done by robots. And I know that I'm being a little dramatic, but I'm telling you, it's not you, it's the system that's doing it. And they are just so big, and there's so many brands and businesses that they don't think. And it's an unthinking system. So you cannot take it personal. Please, don't take it personal.
Even when you reach out and you do the live chat, support for the appeal or whatever, and I believe even the email system.
Templates.
There's that is a lot. Robots just responding to you. So sometimes you have to stay persistent. If I know we have a lot of Amazon sellers on here too, so you've had that experience with Amazon where you're like, you have to be very persistent again and again. You get the same answer, but it's supposed to be this other answer. So just keep persistent until you get your way. Same thing with Facebook. So you just gotta keep reaching out.
I think there's been in my history 7-year advertising history on Facebook, 8 year. I've had one account that I never recovered. One, and every single other one we've recovered along the way, and I was able to push through it. It was one natural slim account, which is still today. It was upsetting. It really was, because we had a lot of things going on in it and it was unfair, but I was never able to recover it. I don't know what kind of labeling they gave the account. They don't really give us the exact details of it.
Yeah, that's the other thing. They don't even really tell you sometimes what exactly you did. So that's why you have to go and look at the advertising guidelines and just get really familiar with them, and you'll be able to identify what you did wrong. I'll give you another example. One time I got my ad rejected and my whole ad account was disabled because I used the word weapon. I said, this is your secret weapon for, doing this or that. And weapons are not allowed to be sold on Facebook. So they, the robot flagged me for that, and then got our ad account disabled. But as soon as I reached back out to them, I'm like, okay, I'm very sorry. I read all your policies again. I won't do it again. That kind of that's the tone that you want to take with them when you write back, because believe it or not, their AI is very smart enough to recognize the tone that you're writing in. And so if it's very angry and a bunch of cuss words and things like that, probably not going to get, paid attention to. So just be very nice and sweet about it and say, sorry, I won't do it again, that kind of thing, and you'll probably get it back.
The word secret, don't worry about it. Jorge loves that word. He's been using that on ads for ages. Just throw the word secret and your chances of conversion go up.
That gets me every time, but not weapon, exactly.
Jesus is saying that the secret to converting on ads is writing the word secret on it. That's the
3
secret.
secrets, 2 secrets to this.
Everything is a secret.
Gets me every time.
People
want to know.
People are a mystery sandwich.
Want to know the secret.
They want to have an answer to their mysteries in life, and you give them a mystery and they want to find a solution. They're special because of that.